Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Tabscan T6 Elite. This is a diagnostic and programming device from Tabscan. Recently, I've seen this device being used quite a lot in workshops, and it's becoming more and more popular. Do you know why? Because it supports multiple brands, runs stable, and is well supported after purchase. Just imagine in your workshop, instead of using different tools for different cars, you can handle many brands with just one device. If you need more information about Tabscan T6 Elite, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp. Now, there are already many multi-brand devices on the market, so why does this one still stand out? Let's find out. So first, let's take a quick look at the device itself. The build quality is solid, and it feels like a proper workshop tool. It supports USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LAN connections. Tabscan T6 Elite works with car up to 2026 models. One of the biggest advantages is that it works with OEM software. For example, Mercedes, BMW, VAG, Porsche, GM, Toyota, Ford, Honda, Mazda, Nissan, and more. So you're not limited to just one brand. The device is built on J2534, DOIP, and PDU protocols. This allows you to perform real diagnostics, coding, and programming. Now let's do a quick test on a vehicle. Now, we'll check the connection speed and how quickly it reads the vehicle on Zentry. I'm going to start a timer so we can see the real performance. From a workshop perspective, this device is quite practical. You can use one device for multiple brands and still work with OEM-level software. If you're doing diagnostics or programming, this is definitely worth considering. Follow us for more real workshop reviews and testing videos.